Are you a T-Mobile customer missing one-time password codes? You're not alone. This often happens because T-Mobile's spam filters block short codes, those 5 or 6-digit numbers used to send OTPs. While these filters protect you from scams, they can sometimes be overzealous. Rich communication services, which enhances SMS, can also cause issues if it's not working correctly. T-Mobile has made improvements since the class action lawsuit in 2023 and the introduction of smart filters, but problems still occur, especially during peak usage times. As of October 2025, OTP delivery issues are down by 40% due to improvements, but you might still face delays. Also note that most T-Mobile users have RCS enabled, over 70%, which introduces its own set of problems when it fails to fall back correctly to SMS. To fix OTP delivery issues, start by manually unblocking shortcodes in the T-Mobile app. Navigate to Account, then Messages and Data, and finally Spam Protection to allow specific shortcodes. Next, enable auto-retrieve in apps like Google Authenticator to automatically grab OTP codes. Try restarting your device or toggling airplane mode to refresh your connection. If you're a T-Mobile Premium subscriber, enable OTP Assurance Mode in the T-Mobile app. If you suspect RCS is the issue, turn off RCS in Google Messages settings. Contact the sender or service directly to ensure they're using reliable methods like RCS fallbacks. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for assistance. Watch for T-Mobile's 2025 roadmap for AI-safe messaging, which uses AI to verify OTP authenticity. Consider using an authenticator app to reduce reliance on SMS for OTPs.